we haven't done a room tour yet for us, but
it's fucking bigger.
So yeah, this is Aaron's, crappy door, but here you go. So you walk in, you see an Aaron. He's got a bed, he's got a TV, and then he has this random addition out of the blue. It's a nice TV in here, that maybe someone stole. I don't know. It's gone now. What's down here? Oh, it's a pillow. You want a pillow, Aaron?
Fuck nah, man, I'm fucking mice or some shit.
Anyway.
That's...
So yeah, this is Aaron's view. It's just not a bad view.
Yeah, this will be where she's.
You have 2 ACs.
I know.
What the fuck?
Yeah, I know.
Here's his bathroom. It's a nice little small bathroom. There's me and an Aaron. We're gonna get food. We're hungry. Alexis.
Devil in a red dress, call 911, I'm a killer. You know I hate to confess. Bang bang, got my hand on the trigger. The devil in a red dress, call 911, I'm a killer. You know I hate to confess. Bang bang, got my hand, bang got my hand, call.
Like drink trays, which has like
international tray.
10 different drinks. How's it taste, Aaron? No good? It's alright.
That's a coconut taste at the end.
I like it.
Where's the paper? Inca Cola from Peru.
Number 2
is
looks like water.
From Madagascar.
That's nasty.
It looks like water.
Tastes like water with like a little bit of hint of something else with it.
Yeah. Vegeta beta from Japan. Vegeta beta. from Japan.
It's like an orange,
Josh is
like an orange high
stationed.
C kind of.
Huh?
It's like orange high C kind of.
Yeah.
Number 5.
Number 5 is Spartletta Sparberry from Zimbabwe. That one's too much carbonation for me. Fanta Melon Frosty from Thailand.
Fanta?
Yeah.
Yo, hey, it's
Fanta,
for-
Fanta. I don't know what that tastes like.
What? It's like a melony kind of like Jolly Rancher.
One is Fanta Pineapple from Greece.
Oh, pineapple.
Oh, and Greece?
I like Greece.
Smells like another lifesaver candy.
Tastes like one too. Lift Apple from Chile. Or Chile, whatever, however you pronounce that.
This looks like a nasty watered down Coke.
It's gonna be shitty if I have to keep all this up.
It was at this moment he knew. He fucked up.
Okay, so we just did them all. Okay, and then the one that really killed, especially Aaron, is just Beverly from Italy, which is just horrible.
Don't
It
drink
tastes
it.
like a chemical.
These damn Italians don't know how to make drinks apparently. So this
You
is,
need to stick to wine.
yeah, wine and Italian food. Make some more chicken parmesan or something.
Yeah, if you have 7, you'll puke.
I have a headache from all the soda and no water, and he just threw up the Italy one.
Yeah.
Yeah, these
Aaron's
ones.
a trooper.
These are the ones I won't drink.
Fuck you want?
Go brush your teeth. You don't need me helping you. You better be brushing your teeth.
Alright, Alexis, you're gonna hate me for this. Oh, come on.
Kevin, go brush your teeth! Yes, but he still needs to bathe.
Oh.
You motherfucker, you're drunk.
Does he really need assistance using the restroom?
Kevin, why are you like this, drunk?
No,
Kevin, you're not going to bed like that.
I'm going out.